Hello and welcome to today's video, and this video is about this machine light that I got from a car boot stroke auto jumble sale a few years ago. Now when I got this light I noticed that it had a Mercury Vapour bulb in it, and it also had a box which was quite rusty with a ballast in it. So I thought this is quite interesting. I got it home and tried it, and the Mercury bulb must have been broken because it just didn't work. For this video I'm currently running it with a high pressure sodium lamp in it, which we'll have a closer look at in a bit. And underneath the lamp there's a selection of other bulbs. One of them has been in another video of mine. This is the CFL that takes forever to come on. So what I'm going to do now is turn off this light. Now I could use the switch on the top, however there's only a 4-core cable in this light, basically live from ballast to switch, from switch to bulb there's a neutral wire, there's a live return, and the only earthing point on the whole lamp is at the wooden base. Now obviously to use this light every day I have changed one of the wires at the top, so it is now an earth cable, so you can actually use this light under normal conditions. However, for this video I've had to convert it back so I can run it on the ballast. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this light off, and then I can show you the ballast and we'll show you some of the other bulbs that I've got, and then we'll come back at the end of this video and show this light starting up from cold. So I'll just turn off this light. Nicely cooling down. I'm just going to pause this video while we get a little bit closer so I can show you the other lamps that I've got. This is the ballast box that I've made for this light to work for this video. And basically it's a 13 amp junction box with the black wire going in the back from the socket and the 4-core cable coming out the front going to this light. And now we're going to show you the other light bulbs I have. Okay, I'm going to start with the high pressure sodium 70-watt bulb. This one has been made by Osram, and you've seen this also in another video that I've done showing the Thorn street light. Now this bulb does fit in this light, however because it's not coated it's far too bright. But the Mercury ballast can actually get this to come on. Now I've also got the extremely slow lighting CFL, which you've seen in the video. There's some information on the bottom. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it because you've seen it in another video. The light now normally has this LED filament bulb in, mainly because I want some gentle light in the corner of the room so I can watch television and not blinded. And this is a TESCO supermarket special, and they're about £5 for 2 at the moment, and they are, I think, the best of all bulbs I've seen so far because they are the same size as a conventional light bulb. Now I haven't got a conventional screw-in light bulb, and I've also got this rather fancy filament bulb. Now I bought this for a special light, and the reason why I bought this is because these don't fit in it, but this did. So I thought, well, I can't run this in it because it will just blow it up. So I managed to find a bulb of a very similar shape and size on eBay, and this one's a Philips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this one working, because it is quite an interesting design, and then hopefully that high pressure sodium bulb's cooled down enough so that I can take that out and show it you. So 1 minute while I just set up the camera near the other light. Okay, so this is the slow to light up CFL, and what I've done is I've let this get up to full brightness. So we'll just turn this one off and change it to the LED filament, which you've also seen working. Instant light up, fairly cool. But as I said, the item I've got doesn't fit over this bulb because this bulb is too large, and these are all E27s. And finally we'll put in the LED filament bulb, the long version, and we'll turn that one on, and that has one single filament up the length of the bulb and lights up the light really nicely. Well, anyway, we're going to go back now to the high pressure sodium bulb, but hopefully it's now cool enough for me to remove. I'll just pause again. Okay, we're back to the high pressure sodium bulb, and this is the switch I was on about at the top. But I don't recommend using this at all if it's powered this way. It's nicely cooled down, and this is the bulb, and I think we can just about see the etch. Now I am having trouble reading this myself. Hopefully I'll hold it steady enough to show you what's on the etch, but I will put information of all the bulbs that I've shown in this video in the description below. So as I said again, this light can use, well, it's meant to use Mercury Vapour bulbs, obviously because they're white, but it can use high pressure sodium ones as well. But as I said, this is ideal for a street light, but it's far too bright for this lamp. So I'm going to turn it off before it gets too hot. And what we'll do is we'll finish this video with the high pressure sodium lamp warming back up again. This lamp has had a lot of use and comes on white for a bit, but then does eventually go to the correct colour. But it doesn't cycle, so it is perfectly usable. But for the purpose of this lamp, it is just far too bright. So we're going to turn it on in 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. The line you can see in the top of the bulb is how it's held in, and as you can see, it is now turned white. And this is a trait that older high pressure sodium lamps do. As they get older, they turn white and then slowly turn yellow. And normally the ones that are recycling, or cycling shall we say, in the streetlights, the ones that turn on and off, they normally go, they come on a very white colour, turn the correct colour, and then turn off again. Now this has got a very interesting golden colour now. But I'm going to keep this light on until it is fully warmed up. at the end of this video I'm going to convert this light back to the filament bulb because I can't use this light with a if I get a Mercury Vapour bulb, it's still going to be just too bright. So it's safer with the earth wire to the top of the light than it is in this crazy setup with the ballast box. But the advantage with the ballast box is I can use it on other lamps. So I'm just going to let this light get to full brightness and we'll end this video. It's starting to get very flickery now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to back off a bit. There we go. Show the whole light in the video. Now I'd like to say, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks again. I'll just turn this video off again, light off again at the end of the video, just so we can see it cool down one last time and to show the whole of the light fitting. Thanks for watching and goodbye.